friends, today I'm here with a new poem of CBSE Class 10th, Mirror by Sylvia Plath. This poem gives an autobiographical account of itself and has highlighted its qualities in the poem, claiming that though certain images reflected in it might be painful to certain people at certain stages of their life, well, it is no way responsible for causing this pain because it reflects exactly what it sees. So, in this poem, we will cover about the poet, the poem and its explanation, summary part, and question answers. Let's get started. First, let's start with the introduction of the poet of this poem, Sylvia Plath. Sylvia Plath was born in Boston, Massachusetts in 1932 and died in 1963. She was one of the most renowned and influential poet, novelist, and short story writer of the 20th century. She was married to fellow poet Ted Hughes. Plath was clinically depressed for most of her adult life and she died by committing suicide. Now, one of the interesting facts about Sylvia Plath is that at the age of 12, her IQ was recorded at around 160, which is certified as genius. Well, that is one of the interesting facts we didn't know about Sylvia Plath. And now, Plath is best known for her two published collections, The Colossus and Other Poems, and Ariel. And in 1982, she was the first poet to win the Pulitzer Prize posthumously for the collected poems. Here you can see the word posthumously. It means after the death of the originator, which means she got the prize of Pulitzer after her death. Now, what is a Pulitzer Prize? The Pulitzer Prize is an award for achievements in newspaper and online journalism, literature, and musical composition in the United States. Now, again, one of the unknown facts of Plath regarding her works was that she wrote a book of nonsense poems for children, which has been called as the Bed Book. And this book was written for the amusement of the poet's own children, which was only published posthumously in 1976. Now, let's begin with the poem and its explanation. And after each stanza, there will be a summary, so it will be easy for you people to understand the poem. So, let's get started with the poem. Now, we have the first stanza of the poem. I am silver and exact. Here, silver means the color of the mirror, and exact. Exact means accurate. I have no preconceptions. Preconceptions means expectation. So in these two lines, poet says that mirror is really shining. That's why its color is in silver and accurate. इसमें जो मिरर है उसमें उसका कलर सिल्वर बताया हुआ है और मिरर अपने आप से बोल रहा है कि उसका कलर सिल्वर है एंड इट इज एक्यूरेट. एक्यूरेट मतलब एकदम सही है. एंड आई हैव नो प्रीकंसेप्शंस. It means it does not judge others with preconceived ideas like human beings. मिरर कहना चाहता है कि वो किसी से एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं रखता और ना ही किसी को एक्सपेक्टेशन देता है. यानी कि जो मिरर है वो सिल्वर इन कलर है, वो हर चीज सही बताता है और वो किसी को एक्सपेक्टेशन भी नहीं देता है. Whatever I see, I swallow immediately. Swallow means absorb. Just as it is unmisted by love or dislike. Unmisted means without mist or clear. So, in these two lines, poet says that mirror absorbs whatever image is incident on it and reflects it very truly with no distortion or manipulation. And it does not have any predecided ideas and does not get affected by love or dislike. तो मिरर जो है वो कह रहा है कि वो सारी चीजें अब्सॉर्ब कर लेता है, यानी जो उसके ऊपर चीजें पड़ती हैं वो सारी अपने ऊपर ले लेता है, एंड इट इज वेरी क्लियर, वो हर चीज क्लियर दिखाता है और उसको किसी भी चीज से फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, ना ही लव से और डिसलाइक से। यानी कि मिरर, जो चीज मिरर को दिखती है वो मिरर दिखाता है एज इट इज। दैट्स वाई इट हैज बीन यूज्ड अनमिस्टेड, विच मीन्स क्लियर, यानी विदाउट मिस्ड। I am not cruel, only truthful. The eye of a little god four-cornered. Cruel means inhuman. यानी कि जिसमें कोई फीलिंग्स नहीं होती, वो बहुत ही ज्यादा कनिंग होता है और उसके अंदर बहुत ज्यादा नेगेटिविटी होती है, उसका मतलब होता है क्रूअल। सो मिरर कहता है कि इट इज नॉट क्रूअल, मिरर क्रूअल नहीं है, वो ट्रूथफुल है, यानी कि जो चीज उसको दिखती है वो वही दिखाता है एंड वो रियलिटी दिखाता है। द आई ऑफ अ लिटिल गॉड फोर कॉर्नर्ड, ये जो लाइन है, दिस लाइन हैज बीन रिप्रेजेंटेड एट द फोर कॉर्नर्स ऑफ द मिरर, विच मीन्स जैसे गॉड की फोर कॉर्नर्स होती हैं, जैसे वो चार दिशाओं में देख सकते हैं, वैसे ही मिरर की भी फोर कॉर्नर्स हैं एंड वो फोर कॉर्नर्स को रियलिटी में देखता है और वो बताता है एज इट इज, जो कि ट्रूथफुल होता है। So, in this whole mirror, which is silver in color, shows the exact image without any preconceptions. यानी कि without any expectation, कोई भी उम्मीद के बिना वो सारी pictures जो उस पे पड़ती है वो दिखाता है। The image which falls on the mirror is clear and exact, as it is neither distorted or nor beautified by any likes or dislike. यानी मिरर को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता विथ एनी लव और डिसलाइक, वो जो रियलिटी है वही दिखाएगा। एंड इट बिहेव्स लाइक अ आई ऑफ अ लिटिल गॉड, जस्ट लाइक फोर कॉर्नर्ड। एज लाइक एन ओमनीसेंट गॉड, मिरर गेट्स अ मल्टी डायरेक्शनल व्यू ऑफ एवरीथिंग। आई होप दिस फर्स्ट स्टैंजा is clear to you, and now we will go to the summary of the first stanza.